Welcome sa Thailand.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel! Saan naman tayo pupunta? Magko-commit lang kami today guys. Dahil pupunta tayo sa where? Abangan nyo. Here. We're gonna buy ticket. Wow, so nice pala here. So here is the train now. Gutom na yung ano namin, computer namin. Gutom na yung computer namin.
Welcome sa Thailand.
Welcome to Thailand. Dito lang. Mahilig kayo maglakad guys. Kung mahilig kayo magagana dito yung pinag-travel. Sa Lazar. So we're here. Dito lang yung isero. Marami silang ano dito oh. Ayan, meron dyan. Tapos meron pa dun sa dulo. So we're gonna taste the food. I want chicken.
Ito?
Butter chicken. Yeah, we're gonna order muna guys. Wow, ang dami pala. So, first food we have bihon soup. Serving by Daddy. Wow. Grabe yung small nila. Laki pala. Wow. Gutom na yarn? Here. Yeah, still got you. I got you. Here.
So that I have yet to come from mommy.
From mommy. Yes. Ito, yung videographer natin na gutom. Thank you, Dada. Next we got Yaksha. Yaksha. We're gonna taste them all. Saan kami kumain guys? So, look at this spot here. Mochi pop. Wanna try that? Okay, let's try this. Is this a Japanese camera? Meron silang TikTok oh. Here. We have ice cream. Here. One lang da. Mochi pop. Anong flavor? Ano best seller yung flavor, ate? Ano pong best seller yung flavor? Mango tango. Ah, sige po. Eto, mango. Mango sago. Okay. Sige, isang mango sago po. Yung small lang po.
Yeah.
Wow. Masarap siya guys, 100. Ha? You like it? Grabe na yung ano mo dito. Yung inistraba mo ng isang linggo, maubos dito guys. Cheat day. Done with the dessert guys.
Horse. Ano yan?
I've been wanting to try this guys. Sayang guys, 20 minutes pa daw. Hindi kasi siya pwede yung bayaran tapos babalik ka. Ito naman yung daddy natin. Oh, what's that? Okay, let's try. This is what? Dragon fruit? You like it? She doesn't like it guys. Let's try.
Yan natin ito.
This is my first time drinking this. If you want some fruits, guys, here.
Mami, ano ba ito, mami?
Ano yan? Ay, parang that's sugar. Too much sugar.
Sugar yan, extra.
Too much sugar. So, 20 minutes pa daw dito guys, so sayang. I thought may available na. But we're gonna stroll more for a bit. Like it? Ito yung hinahanap ni daddy kanina.
Higop.
Higop. Paano ka ba humigop?
Sip.
Nasip.
Oo.
Diba? Pwede pala yun.
Ano? You like it?
Pala guys, I remember. Nung buntis ako, pumunta kami dito. Ito na ba? Ano to? Public. What's this? Mang beans and then wait lang kasi nag-check po si mami. Winter melon. Yeah. And this ube. Which one? Yeah. Gonna buy this for 4 items. You know, may cake sila guys. Wow. We also have here. There's drinks. Go. Sige, check mo. Dami nila dito guys. Okay. Where? Ano, wala pong pang kids dito na mga food kaya to? Food yan, food. Like pasalubong ganon. Here, oh. Dito guys, sa area na to, marami pang bus. Hey, there's so many, ano. Hi! Here. Nakakita ka na naman. Dito guys, oh, marami pang kainan. Dami. Like, ikaw na lang magsasawa sa mga food stall.
Ano? Espada. Saan ba ginagawa niya? Magkano po yan? 150 sir. Dito 100. Dito lang tayo sa 100. Ano gusto mo? Oh, hanap pa tayo dun. Baka meron pa dun iba. Balik tayo dyan, balik tayo.
Guys, puro food dito. Puro accessories.
Sige na, hanap pa tayo dun. Babalik pa tayo dyan pag ano. Dyan din naman. Ha? Hanap pa tayo, baka kasi may mas maganda pa, di ba?
Yung TikTok, hotdog.
Hotdog.